nam katang mama dunya balanda dang ban zu sala nam katang mama anam la biagla ya dunya adal sumba biagla ya dunya balanda apintir biagla ya dunya adatan biagla ya de sanni biagne alar kar biagla ya de sanni biagne akanyo biagla ya dunya asuche biagla ya dunya katam ben sarzu kazan su cirgala nganu
ya do sama ya mun papa ba mi de gombani mi de gombani ena mi o aduro before mi sa aduro dia o ma ka sawni de gomba fo na de be ya aduro before mi sa aduro tim before mi sa aduro de gomba fo ya aduro ena aduro so yankon enye se like aduro ya agura aduro ni ko jifre yenna namu hode ko jifre ma ben poria mbom ni ba on pun yele ni ya nga ituzo idia won ku duna won de o cheka solo bam na so munyu man ka ko bonde great mala yakub ma kanya tum de la butuma mala tim butu bole tim shi dagbam bisan na wa ka butu ya tim dagbamba tala mai tim tapara benmo tunkunya dagbamba kama tim bumo sha tim ma ti bu awa me kan kawande bukutanyere ti yanum nan kazati katba nan da ma da fati yanum nan kazati to wannan ne to bayi san ta fara kan nan da ma so nin kura to ku yinu nin kura bedu nin kuru kan mun chotu ma kan yunu ma mbo no busa ta da kawum mani mala yakuba ni ku yarma da balan yama kan yayi wuce ne tim da fa da bamba da biwa zuriya balan kane so akbar tim briskiri mazu namba pa ya bolema ama musugo kam bolema abu bolema gungo abukata saya militi mazu namba ku chelma ko alle ka bolema be ka text wa whatsapp kam na difila abin lala anan samle dupa man the great man yakubu bi kane ben na chimbin kane nuto ni mane nan be shawo me yi na nuto zaba ma be so ma be dagbamba dan ma bi ganies yi na nuto zaba so ka cika ma mutu ba mu shani tun kalen yare tanin yare tanin yare kan kamande ti cham ta bonle ta bi cham ta bontem buku gende ma sa bala ma sa ta pa dagbamba ai balan kane tanin kana on tabge kamboni yelya yamangale yencham ki bam mana son de nirbu sham de son de nirba ajara adore kontum adore kontila ka nyama munjion atira bia san de nyala fiza de nye dossier donné amela bora laare bombo la tiagama l'argent kudi kambon sene la sika ka dagbambe ni laare ka hausa ni ya kudi ka Nigeria ni l'argent akubore ka kana man gonsane nyela mun ya tare ni problem nebo de ka tiboto mal instant money kama latim kama tama group ay go na join le ka kana tan nangula nza join le ka abukata sa mare entin yan tumatin ma ta bukuran ne ba ai dada min yamma man bukuran dada ce man faro bara fabu sun cika juna ce fabu sun cika yama an foni wasu ifa fabu zo ana kun yama so umbolan yala ba an yala tobe an yala fa will skill ma su ko man number bolan ma abara luto number luto number ko man number ka bolan an yale abara la tiaga an yale akon la angela pa ka kon jo abo balma na un ko la bukata malama bi ka nyama angela ajia ka da atuma hwe abanya de bolema abukata na mare ma won hwe won sare me bu pon le maka yarba de jarme de lo kan yarba de yana jama ha ta tambara to durban jirama kaka ma ne like en ku yarba en ku jirama tam bitte men la'are ta man nambara la'are man ayon bolma kamina kan la'are nyin du ko mal namba bolma akumina ku kan la'are nyin ko mal namba sko bolma bu ko dare shabjane ne no bora sonsam be me bora no mu kala ka bo sonsam kan kala ka bo sonsam ne shari'a zan tuntuwa man la agara mo da zan dare ay bora sonsam we skill ma zo bolma amanfo me patchere say muni se maka de gomba bebre me pese asentifo monte me the great man Yakubu asamana siye me se me buso penyini era particular ma malanfo yanye de me malanfo dinu dos bebre but if one yam me the great man Yakubu eno ko ba bia o problem e be say bra me nche no problem and solve if any me nipa ni ho dabida ai skill no so na fa me na fra me me the great man me ndi agro if o pesika e fra kudi l'argent kudi lare frame instant money o fra me a bia be yi if o pe lotto number lotto o pe se won di lotto frame if o yare a o huntowa frame o honma o business mu enko ya frame o outside Ghana ena onye pepes frame waje obika on pese on tioma frame case course frame what case bia court case court the case bia will be a case before case court case frame no problem ya be solve court case and o e de me o scam and o hu so a oni laka frame aduma bia we a oni laka frame if we are kura na we de me unya adura be san we ya frame the great man Yakubu me buo ama be bia ko ye de ama the viewers my brothers and sisters those who are watching me, this is the great man. I've already introduced myself to you. I am a powerful spiritual man who helps people who live in northern part of Ghana. And I'm here to introduce myself to you. And you know who is speaking. And you know what I can do and what I cannot do. I'm here to let you know who I am. I'm a powerful spiritual man. And many people are on television, YouTube, Instagram, saying that they are malams. They can say that they are spiritual men. But don't compare us. We are not one and we can be one. Even if someone has already taken your money and chop, never mean. Just watch. If you are watching me, just pick my number and call me, explain it to me, and your problem is solved. You understand? And even at times, some of the pastors, they are there saying that they are what? They are spiritual men or they are spiritual pastors. No. Pastor, if you say that you are a spiritual man or something, you are not a spiritual man. No, who give you a spirit to be a spiritual man? If you need a spirit, come to me, the great man Yakub. If you are a pastor and you need a spirit, life, contact me and I'll help you. I have so many pastors, but I'll never call their name here. No, never. So I'm here to let you know, if you need instant money, call me, text me. If you are outside Ghana, UK, where Africa, just try to call me or just try to text me on WhatsApp, and everything will be solved, and all your problems will solve. Your spiritual problem will solve. If you want to join a cult, a group, just pick my number. We have a group, and that group called name Jahini. If you come, I will let you join that group. Do you understand? I will take you to join it. And if you need little number, just pick my number and call me. I will give you a little number. And if you need what? If you don't have a lack, just contact me. I'm the one who will remove you in a problem. And I want people to understand. Don't be saying that why every time matters are on television, on radio station. No. Just watch, just take your fingers and watch it. Is it one? It's not one, and it can be one. Do you understand? So just pick my number and call me the great man. If it's not me, no one, nobody can do what I can do. So contact me and I'll help you. And you'll be a someone in future. If you refuse to contact me, you'll be in problem. Anyone will take his number and call him, you will never meet him. And before you what? Before you contact me, just look on the screen and pick my number and call me and explain everything to me. And I am the one who can help you to be a someone in future. Do you understand what I'm, my brothers and sisters? I am the one. I am the first one and I am the last one. So trust me and believe in what I'm saying. I'm a kind of person, I don't want shame in my life. You understand what I mean? So if you really need my help, or if you really seriously need my help, just look on the screen, pick my number, the great man, and call me, the great man, I'm this so and so, and I'll help you to be a someone. If you refuse, okay, it's on you. If you don't refuse and call me, your problem is solved. And I'm here to let Ghanaians to know, or to let world to know who I am. I'm not. It's not that this is my first time coming on TV. No. So many I've been on TV anywhere I try to go. I go anywhere. So I want people to understand and I want people to know who I am. Please and please and please try to pick my number and call me and I'll help you. I am the first person and I'm the last person who can help you. Manyan Ghana, Manyan Mutani Ghana. Nini the great Mala Yakubu. Na aikin ni malam ni na tanyin mutane ne. In kana outside Ghana ne, kana Benin, kana Mali, kana na Africa man kake ke da duba kan scheme na ka kira ni ka fari mini problem ka duka she ni dan solve baka mba ni ba wani malam da dai solve baka ba don shi duba kan scheme na ka kira ni in kana son kudi ke da dokan number na kan scheme na ka kira ni in kana son lotto number dokan number na kan scheme na ka kira ni in kana son in kana ciwo ni in baka samu maganin ciwo na kera dokan nan ba ne ka kira ne ciwo na ya kare ka gane in ke man kana wani kana yin wani business na bai zuwa da kyau na ce duba kan skill na doka kan nan ba ka kira ni ni the great man in ba ni ba wani da ya baka wo aboki ko samari ko na mace frame and your problem is solved palma aw palma duwan na ma man ku yarma ba mbom ni bam dagbana kunyama dagbana ala kunyama man kunya dagbana en njila man bi akan ya en njila dagbam en me location ba kunya la bago yarea tagbashane bi bago kunya ne tanpa kan ne bona bam ay bar son sam karpa mane ka chan lo kam abukata kuma ay me di shia tiyara ne ne bete gala apamdi dezo nyunkulan poso namba bolema common number na on ben namtia tatiyim en so me mi o dal ni be shapolo so to yo dal ni be shapolo so common number ka bolema ka bukata ka male ay ba na bora sonsam man sane common number ka bolema ma me mbe balan so sondo mbe balan da mo man le bom na ba asuka yina azuka man ku yina zo dabsoro mo nincha ka ban munya man wujiyan tenya da bamba ka tukuni tsum kalme nyel balan kan ta pa da bana na wasu kai balan kan be wazu le za na won tabga tame so me bon ni ban dimandale sun chaka ni ban butiya da tsum tenya tsum butiya da kale tenya ka timila be sha'anin tu kamilan mutu katbane mabe da bamba izu kama yina the Cambos is Ukamayina, the Silmisi is Ukamayina, little fire by Abukana Anamama Yabukana Sane Anamama Bolmi will skill Mazuka Bolma, Poman number Bolma, Katinza Bashir Bomo Katinza Mazuka Yinaki, Mira Ya Poman number, Ya Bolmaka Bukata Man. Tim Tenama Dagbamba, Naomi is on Kalenyele Kalenyele de cette homme de me cette tout chante jere te ya pas de jour te banma te yabnama ka te bona te mabe dagba mabam betiya kamande temma ka te ne te yelma te ne yel lo kam anya dagba na tuti ka te bona ban kalma ni shele ka te bona ban kamande te bezan kalma la kalma na ku biya te bona ban te bezan kalma na ku biya tin yarma biya kam ti yar te dulan station ti yar TV station ti yar che ka ti butawa butu bukata sanin ba ni yare ma in gura mu zo kan bikuma inda bi gura ina kusa duna inda bi gura ma na kusa ina afonu mu so ne cika anyama in gura mu duka ya ko mun na babolin ma abukata na mare kuma sai ni shi kuma ne shi kuma sai ai bora ne daga ka be kuma shi kuma ankara kan lamjane lashi ankara ya man lamjane ma ne daga na ka be da ma ka ku bol ma nyama kan wa le be shekoro ya yu le skema ka ko ndam ka bol amanfo be pese mu se meno ma kasa bebre mi sa be kasa biom be pese mu se if nyame no oboye no wa boye kwa davida wo ye nipa mi ye nipa ade ami metima wo no oni untimu hunu freme mi se me bon krofo e wa asam bebre ma ni ka kirewo freme o pe loto namba me se freme ofa mame papa uye debeni uye hunani uye fantini uye hwa me se freme ofa uye empia ana opese this year na campaign ya ifu pesika ele campaign abramo ho ifu pe dom campaign abramo ifu pese o konjena o pese efu krom me ka se fame namba uye mp uye dc me se fame namba freme the problem ya be solve one frame ya me see one frame ya hey ebe ya osere ana obesun dache frame the great man Yakubu me na me first stop and me last stop mutma say if among for the oko Facebook go woni ko bebre use me man ka chama enye me Instagram enye me o person onya me o the friend video call o family number o the friend video call me fa mamu we bi me say if e me obehunu and I patch say if how be a how wo abuchi mai wo he me say family number o we ni party say me and ade ame mo wonni bi enti frame na problem ya e solve one frame ya hey ubeboka me say ubeboka bole yama anye tagbana anye la pa anye la to riskir mazo nyama na makabolma aw bolma a problem ayelle de ko no ko male bolma ka me yelle male my brother is I just pick my number and contact me and your problem will be solved. If you refuse it's on you, but if you want you pick my number, your problem will be solved. Contact me, the great man. I believe in myself and I believe in the tribe that I live and I believe in what I'm doing. So try to contact me and your problem will be solved. Ya pong mama ka bola ka yele zaka na mal man yela ba the great man Yakubu. In yela mi shi Ankara ka shi kuma ka shi ne tan ba ka bole bagu. So bolema abukata kuma ne. Anye tagbana anye kampoma me say if we are asentinia ana we the gomania ana we your fine and no payment boa me say frame one famia apa we boka me say we boka enti frame me jimi hudi and I make am I believe in myself, that is why I'm here, and I trust in myself, that is why I'm here. So after here I will do some actions. I will chop some money. In the year, me yet one could not put it like that. No number shakinya, no number are Kinya, and Kibaruti and the Tum, the Ari, Tamataba Matania, Kakalimias. Mampo Yeri, Manon Kubala, Mara Yakubu, Kan Yeria, a son de Never Pam. And the many Pakarata Pashama, Mon Dagamba Pam. Ne betiere tim kalemier santite amanfo pese obi ahun sese me pese me ya sanche ni kakra I just want to do something little, because if I don't do something, you Asante people mupe achinde pa Asante for wa ye bibi a wa say we ni oni adu nko be bibi be say me ya de bibi me so mupe achinde if you achinde wura if any me a want to me achinde wura da I am a great man and then the I believe in myself, I trust myself. This is me. It's me, the real, the great man. The man Yakubu. I told you, it's me. I just want to do something, some little action. Or I just want to commend money, to charm money. So people will not so charm kudini. Man young mutani mata, but not so charm kudi. Mabeta Bambani Guay Lai. Lai come from Guay. Kibani come with the Kalima. And come on to the Zan of Kalmana. The young man again to me who pull me. So umpona na besha kikunya jera kaza jera kampeni kale yule namba bilme namba ko pas kilma ka bolma ai sa asitwana na bana ane be sa asi ayi yela ne anam no ngara ai kede pone afa ya me kito yele ne ka biema umpona na ba mtire kikunya bete ne tim tananya tim buskale tim tarba Kabanaba, Womama, Mbona la Bisha Cabina, Mbona Chamka, Dagmamba Bam, the Mutu Kale, to Pondeme, the Kuli to Kumaleme, Mutu Kale, Kalama, Kabanama, Kumana la Bisha Cabina, Dagmamba Kamba, Kale, Talamia Kale, Yulia Kale, Tanya Kale. What a good to Osuguru, Amuguru, Osukatu Fatwa, or Hamudwa, or Katakatawa, Butana Kaletania Kalakamba, what a good to Osuguru, Amuguru, Amukutu, Apata Shatwa, what Okiti Katapa, Yaya, Abenamamu, what of Patabate. I'll command you to go commercial and rubber to go and give a Ghana $3 US pound. Europe. Ja jahini jafata katabata wa bogu me pa solo ko sa me ngoma ko zole mali ne sa to so mbona nya mujali nya mane nko ya awran kane sim pap buti akunda kati ya ka yere tisba kanduma o sim buti akunda ma priye ka kale yere kale nya zanta tenaba tendi bi yere ju o kiti katapa ya abana mamu wata kwanta mutana kare yare kare ku yare to bo pon le mutana ma kare yare wonjala silmin tam da are tin kati bo dole sina dinan bon dole sin bara kare yare dole dinan bara mutana dole to dinan bon we sika e fre dole amon fo we sika e fre dole dole we $dollars monke sikala me ka hon we Ghana cedis 50 million monke me se offer frame na problem nya ebe so me se frame we Ghana cedis 50 cedis frame one frame o problem e solve that frame the great Mala Yakubu. I am the only powerful spiritual man who can do something and no one or nobody can do it. Just try your best and contact me and all your problems will be solved. I am the last stop and I am the first stop. Missy, just contact me, my brothers and sisters. This is money. This is dollars. This is US dollars. Missy, we a dollar. 80 frame, just contact me. We a dollar. Frame. One frame, your problem, your answer with that. Just contact me. I am here the great man. Okay? Na frame, u problem, your best of it. Ya, you will skill maso bolema. Ka be shakam, ayele kalza, denula. The Melza, Bolema, Abu Bolema. I couldn't be show. Man, Kuyama, the great Malan Yakubu. Tim, but you're a Timma, Tenyele, and to sell the settlement. Makataba Europe, this is Europe, my brother. If you need Europe, come to me. Europe, everything you get it. Where are Ghana cities? Just come to me, the great Malan Yakubu. I just want anybody. I urge anyone and anybody to come to me and I will help you to be a someone in future. Just come to me. This is money, really money. Tip. Can't have no kanya. Aye, and yana nanselma. Yana ba. Bujan. To Solomon, Timbala, Tim. Yeah. Tim, come to me and I'll help you and you'll be a someone. If it's not me, just come to me. The great man and Yakub, just watch on the screen and pick my number, and everything will solve. If you need money, what they call instant money, come to me and I'll help you to be a someone. Just come, the great man and Yakub. If it's not me, nobody can do what I can do. I want anybody or everyone to know who I am. That is why I'm here to introduce myself to you. The money is still coming. The money is still coming. The money is still coming. Just come to me, the great man and Yakub. I'm here to let people to know who I am. If you need money, if you need money and you need local number and you want wife to marriage, just contact me and I'll help you and your problem will be solved. Just contact me, the great man. Just contact me and I'll help you and all your problems will be solved. I believe in myself and I trust myself and I know what I'm doing. So come to me, the great man and Yakub, and all your problems will be solved. Mr. Bramin Chen, Bra, Wamba, Ube Boka, Mr. Wamba, Ube Debe, Ube Boka. Come to me, the great man, the whole great man in Ghana, in Western Africa. If it's not me, nobody. I trust in myself and I know what I'm doing. So just come to me and I'll help you to solve your problems out. I said, just come to me and I'll help you to solve your problem out. Come, the great man. So come now. Go book at the Karamale. Abakara, Anama, Yabakara, Anama, Yabakara, Anama. No, this one is what? 200 euro. Hey, I just want Ghanaians to see. If they say magic, if it's not me, this is 200 or 1,000 euro. Kamara, let them see. That is 1,000 euro. Let them see. That is 1,000 euro. I'm here to let people to know who I am. Come to me and your problem is solved. Come. Mr. Bra, Wamba, hey, Ubeboka. Mr. Wamba, Ubeboka. Come to me and all your problem will be solved. Come to me. This one is dollars. Where are dollars? Where are $100? Where? No. Frame. One frame ya. Oh, honum. Oh, ka. Say, Nanamo, Omujim Kofuska. Just come to me and contact me. Just contact me and all your problems will be solved. I am the great one. I am the first person and I am the last person. And I know what I'm doing. Just come to me and all your problems will be solved. It's me, the great man. The great man. Where are you? Ghana City 53. Where? Cameraman, where are you? Ghana City 53. Scanning at that one. Call me and all your problems will be solved. Bra. Where are you? Sika, friend. Pounds. Where are your pounds? Where are your pounds? Where, cameraman? I'm here to let people to know who I am. Chikana down me say I am me. If I am me, nobody, Obiano, Obetmayebi. Contact me, just pick my number. Where are you? Europe? Cameraman, this one is just a Europe. See, I just want people to see and know who I am. All this one is a Europe. See, so come to me and all your problems will solve. See, cameraman, just watch. All is Europe and distance. See, watch it. That is money. If it's not me, nobody can do it. I just want you to edge. Contact me on all your problems we solve. Call me. That is money. What they call money. It's money. Real money. Call me. And all your problems.